Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Tana Takan. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. So there aren't too many filters on this page and nothing especially crazy in terms of visual effects, but I kind of like the simplicity of what you can find here. Mostly frames that surround the camera, changing the shape of your video output or adding whimsical overlays with a hand-designed aesthetic. There's a combination of filters which focus on minimalism with basic shapes and different options for displaying days of the week that remind me of the types of things you might find in print magazines. And then more creative frames with candy and emoji inspired elements. I don't know how often this creator is publishing new filters, but what is available demonstrates a firm grasp of the fundamentals, and if they continue creating with Spark AR, there's a lot of opportunity to expand on the current portfolio. Check out Tana Takan on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Paula Casado. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. There's a lot of variety on this profile, with filters combining multiple effects to create some pretty interesting results. Collage style frames, in some cases inspired by the aesthetic of retro technology, as well as others which feel like mood boards pulled directly from Pinterest. Particles with colour changing outlines create a vivid, dreamlike experience, and animated overlays making striking use of black and white are especially cool. There are 3D elements in a number of the published effects, full face masks, Dragon Ball Z scouters, and even a model maze that exists as a world effect. Scrolling through, you never know what's going to show up next, and it's been super fun just playing around and seeing the different forms of artistic expression on display. Check out Paula Casado on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Adelina DMI. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. There's a particularly playful quality to many of the effects on this page. Feline masks with different styles, including a traditional black cat and a more glossy, translucent variant that makes use of Spark AR's lighting features. Face tracking filters adding 2D cartoon style elements around the head, and more complex animated visual components applied using the same techniques. The floating bubbles with a koi carp face tattoo is pretty cool, but my favourite filters are the two devil shadow effects. The first of which adds a shadow effect behind the user with horns, and the second inverting that idea to make the user appear as a horned silhouette against a changing colour background. There's some really interesting concepts here, and it's worth taking some time to scroll through if you want some inspiration for your own creations. Check out Adelina DMI on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Lolly Ollie. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. The filters on this page are very high quality and extremely varied in terms of visual style and the combination of effects used in each. Face masks are pushed to new heights with well-designed layers stacked on top of one another, and overlays which add depth to the background and help contextualize the overall theme of each piece. There's a neon filter with an aesthetic built on runes, and another called Raven, which reminds me of the movie Black Swan. It's animated, switches between a black and white theme, and is designed in a way that's both simple and complex all at once. A Bernie Sanders meme template makes it easy to add him into your stories at any scale, and a surrealist doll effect with oversized and honestly quite creepy eyes demonstrates the obvious talent this creator possesses. Check out Lolly Ollie on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Bitter Mesh. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. With a combination of sci-fi and fantasy themed effects, this profile has lots to offer in terms of visual storytelling components. I really like the Cyberpunk Valentine filter, which is textured beautifully, and for some reason makes me think of those Black Widow spiders who eat their mates. I don't know, could just be the eyes, but the whole thing has a very femme fatale aesthetic that plays out super effectively. There are some anime and future tech inspired pieces that are insanely well designed, and the attention to detail is flawless. Eyes, neck decorations, face tracked acid, edits, and more all come together in unique and interesting ways. My personal favorite is the Dual filter, which includes a fully animated spider mech attached to the face and twitching its legs, while the user is made up in lashes and eyeshadow. Check out Bitter Mesh on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Alex K Mask. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. This page contains a fairly equal split between effects making use of 2D and 3D models. There are dancing characters likely modeled using a program like Blender or Maya and animated using Mixamo. They're cool and fairly common on quite a few profiles I've seen over the past few years. There's an awesome target tracking filter that projects a 3D bust of Joaquin Phoenix's Joker onto a playing card. It's a well-designed model and a solid example of taking something common to most people's environment and adding interactivity using AR. One suggestion there might be to replace the target with a bicycle branded playing card, which is the most common brand on Earth and therefore more accessible to a wider audience of users. Alien Pilot's another cool one, and the pizza face with steam effect is just fun to see yourself wearing. Check out Alex K Mask on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Tofua. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. Some of the most interesting effects on this page are the frames, a few inspired by classic film strip and others recreating the style of public camera CCTV footage to create an eerie sense of being watched that could almost certainly be used by creative people on Instagram to tell some really interesting stories. There's a filter which adds googly eyes to the user's face, and I really like the preview video that places them onto a sphinx. I also enjoy playing around with the MS Paint filter that lets you draw with your nose. It's a fairly common effect that can be seen on many other profiles, but it stands out here because rather than just drawing aimlessly in the air, the feature has been placed inside of a nostalgic piece of tech that grounds it and adds context to the basic premise. Check out Tofua on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Crimp Production. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. There aren't too many effects currently published on this account, but what is available really makes use of what's possible with Spark AR. Animated butterflies drawn in outline with particles spinning off them create a fantastical Midsummer Night's Dream aesthetic. Green text binary overlays give off strong Matrix vibes, although if you're a little older you might appreciate the style as the standard format of pre-1990s computer technology. There's a Thug Life filter, which I actually have a tutorial on how to create for yourself, although this one adds a black and white zooming vignette to emphasize the unique creative style of the designer. There's a lot of cool stuff here despite having relatively few effects, and I'm hyped to see what's next, because if these are any indication of future performance, I have no doubt the next few filters will be pretty sweet. Check out Crimp Production on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Basfi. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. I've been following this account for years and have several of their filters saved to my favorites because I really appreciate the hand-drawn and animated aesthetic choices the creator makes on a regular basis. There's something so cool about digital graphics that feel as though they were created with a pen or paintbrush and lifted directly from the page for use in augmented reality environments. Lots of collage-style filters with rapidly changing images mean that every time you capture a still, you end up with a different result. Now that's reusability. It's also a type of filter that can be updated as you create more designs related to those original concepts. I'm a huge fan of this page and can't recommend checking out their profile enough. Check out Basfi on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show, I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Nikita24Sib. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. 3D models make up a significant portion of the effects that you'll find on this profile. Mostly characters from the various Grand Theft Auto games animated using a program like Mixamo to dance and interact in real world environments. There's a Shrek dance party where all of the characters have small bodies and oversized heads, which actually reminds me of a Corridor Digital video from a few years back. And a GTA coffin dance that combines those characters with the popular meme. There are other types of effects too, making use of face tracking and graphic background elements, so it's clear this creator is expanding into other areas of interest, and I'm excited to see what the next wacky concept will be. Get it? B? 'Cause B? Check out Nikita24Sib on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.